In the morning, Sam opened his eyes. Today was his first day at work. His hands were shaking a little. Downstairs, his mother was making breakfast.
Good morning, sweetheart. Are you nervous?
Sam nodded slowly.
Everyone feels nervous on their first day. But you are ready, Sam. I know it. He put on his new shirt. He looked in the mirror 3 times.
You can do this, Sam.
He whispered to himself. He picked up his bag. He took one last look
At his house. Then he stepped outside into the morning air. He walked down the street slowly. The office building was tall. It looked very big. Sam took a deep breath. Inside the elevator, Sam stood alone. He watched the numbers rise. Floor by floor, his heart beat faster. The doors opened. A kind man greeted him. You must be Sam. I am Mr. Carter. Welcome to the team. Mr. Carter showed him around. This is the meeting room. And this is your new desk. A serious-looking man sat nearby. This is Tom. Tom looked up and gave a small, quiet nod. Sam sat at his new desk. He tried to open his laptop, but his hand slipped. Papers fell everywhere. A cheerful coworker knelt down to help.
Don't worry, I did the same thing on my first day too. I'm Ella. If you need help, just ask me. That's what friends are for. Slowly, Ella showed him how everything worked. Sam listened carefully. Step by step, things began to make sense. At lunch, Sam sat alone at first. Then Ella waved him over. Come sit with us, she said warmly. Even Tom joined the table.
I was nervous too. On my first day, I spilled coffee on my boss.
Everyone laughed together.
For the first time that day, Sam felt like he belonged. His shoulders relaxed. After lunch, Sam returned to his desk with new energy. He finished his first task all by himself. Mr. Carter looked at his work and nodded. Good job. At the end of the day, Ella and Tom waved goodbye. Sam smiled and waved back. That evening, Sam walked home. The sky was orange and pink. He felt tired, but he also felt proud. Everyone has a first day. It feels scary at first, but with a little courage and a little kindness, it becomes a beginning worth remembering.